and welcome back to my YouTube channel Speak with Arjuna. Today I am going to share 5 simple but powerful English sentences that you can use in your daily life. If you want to sound confident and fluent in English, these sentences will help you a lot. And the best part, you can start using after watching this video. So let's begin. Sentence, could you please repeat that? How to use when you don't hear or don't understand something clearly. It is formal and polite, better than just saying what. Example, at the shop, could you please repeat that? I didn't hear the price clearly. Second sentence, I really appreciate it. Use this to show gratitude in a polite way. Sound more genuine than just saying thanks. Example, someone hold the door for you. I really appreciate it. Third sentence, that sounds great. Use this when someone shares an idea or plan like you. Shows excitement and positivity. Example, let's have a lunch together tomorrow. That sounds great. Fourth sentence, I'm not sure about that. Use this when you want to politely disagree to express doubt, softer than saying, I don't think so. Example, I think this phone is better than that one. Hmm, I'm not sure about that. This one has better features. Fifth sentence, let's keep in touch. Use this when you want to meet someone and want to stay connected. Very friendly and common in English. Example, after meeting at an event, it was a lovely talking to you. Let's keep in touch. So, these were 5 simple but powerful English sentences for daily life. Start using today. You will see your English become more confident and natural. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.